Dear friends, good evening. Today we are going to talk about Ketu in 4th house. What happens if Ketu is in 4th house? So Ketu is a planet of neutral energies. He is a tamoguna karaka. So it means there is no explicit action. So wherever Ketu is positioned in the birth chart, either the person is devoid of the blessings of the particular house or the person doesn't care. So Ketu in 4th house, I did use case study. I examined many charts. So the most common things I observed, I would like to share with you. So people who have Ketu in 4th house, they have some disturbance in their stomach. 7 out of 10 people, they had this appendicitis surgery, appendix. And 30% of the people who have Ketu in 4th house, they were born with spinal cord in their neck. And for women, for married women, it's very difficult for them to conceive if Ketu is in 4th house because it indicates some infection in the womb. After a few abortions with other planets support, they may conceive. But in 7 out of 10 women's chart, I noticed that Ketu in 4th house causes abortions. And also Ketu is for pet animals. So people who have Ketu in 4th house, most likely either they have pet animals at their home or they would like to have. They love cats, dogs. And they don't show any interest, they don't actively participate in homely affairs. So they stay at home as if they don't care their home, with respect to cleanliness, taking care of responsibilities. And also Ketu in 4th house can create obstacles in primary education. Either these people had breaks, or these people, because of some unknown reason, they could not continue and they have to restart their education. And Ketu in 4th house makes one person's mother very spiritual. Even their home environment, the reflections of that spirituality one can see. People who have Ketu in 4th house. Ketu is also for significator for Pitamaha, the lineage. So there is some energy that moves around in their home, the pitru energy for people who have Ketu in 4th house. So it's a blessings from ancestors, but people who are not aware of that, if they are conscious of that, then that will help him to get the blessings of ancestors. And coming to, because 4th house is a home of peace, happiness, physical pleasures, vehicle and home comforts. When Ketu is positioned there, Ketu rejects all these things. So either this person doesn't show interest in these, or this person struggles a lot to gain these. So maybe when he becomes older, he may end up, having a home or constructing a home, because the opposite energy, Rahu, who is a very good energy, very good planet for giving all the material comforts. Fortunately or unfortunately, fourth house also deals with all the material comforts, vehicles, home, and comforts of home, luxuries, physical pleasures. So Ketu is not a master in giving all these things. Ketu doesn't have that energy. Rather, the partner, the other half, Rahu, is sitting in the 10th house. So these people have to work hard to gain these things. And also I noticed that people who have Ketu in 4th house, they have some strange food habits, digestion system. And I have seen many people who have pet animals in their home, who have Ketu in their 4th house. And also Ketu is for is a significator for yantra, mantra, tantra. So it is likely that these people get into this mysticism and they practice this mantra, yantra, tantra at home. So some of the healers, tantrics, so who have Ketu in 4th house, so they do all these things at their home, the worshipping and healing. And also I noticed that people who have Ketu in 4th house, there is some vastu dosha in the Eashanya part of their home. Either Eashanya, the northeast, is blocked, or it has a street arc, or it is not clean, or it is very narrow. And I know, and also I observe that these people, they are devoid of vehicle comforts. They struggle to have a luxurious and comfort vehicle, but even though they get a vehicle, so they face all the issues with the vehicle. They can't enjoy it. Or they want to go on a long drive and the vehicle breaks down. So those kind of experiences also people may see, people who have Ketu in 4th house. And because 4th house is home, mother, and Ketu energy is basically the source energy of Ketu is Ganapati. So people who worship Ganapati, so they can actually suppress some of the negative energies of this Ketu. So friends, this is my analysis about Ketu in 4th house. So if you had, any of you have Ketu in 4th house, you had some surgery related to your stomach, womb, you had appendix, or you had any heart related problem, or you had any blockage in the blood circulation to heart. So this is possible with Ketu in 4th house, because 4th house is also called house of heart. There is something defect in the blood circulation, in the veins. So because Ketu always creates blockage. So Mars stimulates blood, whereas Ketu creates blockage. So if you have your Ketu in 4th house, either in Rashi or Navamsha, or you had similar experiences, please share your experiences in the comment. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.